Alright, good afternoon. Got a quick unboxing here, a new knife. Something that just kind of caught my eye the other day. And let's take a quick look. It's a brand that I've not ordered before. So we'll see here if I end up keeping it or if it goes back. This is an Off-Grid Knives Compact EDC Cleaver. So let's take a quick look here. Wow, look at that. Looks like probably G10 handles, nice deep carry clip. Not a small footprint, but ooh, nice and heavy. Very nice. Not seeing any issues. Looks like you can swap the clip from left or right pocket, which is really nice. So let's take a quick look. See if there's any other information on here. Nope, but in case you wanted to check it out or buy one for yourself, right there. So yeah, I like the grippiness, and it's quick. Spring assist. That's why. Haven't had one of these in a while. Taking a look. Alright, looks like blade centering is really good. Not seeing where it's off any. No play. Looks like it's got a safety to keep it open, which is interesting. I've not had this on enough. I've had one to keep it closed. But yeah, that's a tiny bit of jimping up at the top. This thing is a beast. Not getting any play on the blade. Everything looks really nice. Not used to that spring coming back in. But really nice blade style. I like the cleaver. I was looking for something, to process a little bit, stuff like bacon or sausage or something like that, or hell, just a nice little cleaver knife. This will definitely get it. And nice in my hand. I can grip on really well. The clip does not stick out to where it would hamper anything. Again, I really like that blade. Nice and thick. So, again, this is the Off-Grid Knives, the Compact EDC Cleaver.